thesis all circular AA projections are irrational. Jeranism, QNV, and Jake the asshole debunk. What I got to do with Jeranism? Why are you guys misrepresenting maps? You're making a total mess from maps. You must be a bunch of idiots. And you totally strawman me and Jake. Because we don't support maps. I only model up the celestial data on a map which I think is the best for it. You guys keep strawmanning me and lying about me. You are pieces of shit. Oh, you're showing off your new map? Your square map? Amazing. Let me make all square maps irrational, if you don't mind. What do you know of magnetic declination? According to you guys, you can navigate perfectly on your map.
Disinformation agents, they spread misinformation.
Look at your own crap first, idiot, before you point to other maps. You can strawman all you like, but magnetic declination kills your map and only work on circular maps. Do you understand that simple fact?
Jason, would you just quickly explain how this map works? Just explain to them real quick how this works.
So if you were looking at like a WGS 84 or something like that map, then you would have to go to a magnetic declination map to find your correction.
Why you not do that for your maps? To see if they make some sense?
Trying to get people all confused about the magnetics and magnetic declination.
Well said. That is exactly what you guys are doing.
And we used it, we found it. And what we realized was that it correctly declinates. It shows our realm with the least amount of distortions, right? It does away with magnetic declination.
No, your map makes a total mess of magnetic declination.
Those are corrections to back engineer from this, because the lines of latitude and longitude are not perfectly straight lines. They're not a grid work.
Oh, it's not a grid work. You want to say these are magnetic declinations.
And you can see right here why some place like South Africa would have heavy correction. The places that have the biggest swooping arcs here, when you go to the magnetic declination map, you're going to see that's where the correction's taking place. So
I do know that magnetic declination maps show a 180-degree flip right where it's expected.
And you can see, based on these lines of longitude, if they're the magnetics, you can completely understand why it would be that case. So, you know, a person in this area right here, for their compass to point north, they give you that magnetic declination map to give you that shortcut back up to the north, so you didn't go swooping down through the ocean here.
Oh, you're telling us they don't point to magnetic north, but they are following these longitude lines.
Is another proof that this would be the correct map of this world.
The stereographic lines of latitude and longitude eliminate the need for a compass declination map, and that's the reason why there's magnetic declination maps. The stereographic lines of latitude and longitude eliminate the need for a compass declination map, and then there are maps put out that actually will keep a person heading the correct north. The stereographic lines of latitude and longitude eliminate the need for a compass declination map.
in reality, we have to have a secondary map that tells us where our compasses are off to readjust our headings.
Oh dear, what a major fuck up. We don't need magnetic declination corrections on their map, but in reality we do need one. What an idiot.
The stereographic lines of latitude and longitude eliminate the need for a compass declination map.
In reality, we have to have a secondary map that tells us where our compasses are off to readjust our headings.
The lines of latitude and longitude do away with it. And we showed that this can also, and not only that, Jake was talking about the top ball earth guys. We had the top ball earth guy. His name was Flat Earth Charles. He was a mathematician, right? And a super academic guy.
Oh, Flat Earth Matt. I think he's pretty stupid.
And we had him on, and we asked him, Flat Earth Math, what is the best projection? What projection would you say is the best projection of the Earth? He said the one you guys are using.
No, that's not exactly what he said. Piece of shit.
Yeah, I just wanted to say to you, so do you see these 3 lines here?
Yeah, those are the tropics and the equator.
That's correct. So what orientation or shape would you think this would take when I project it to a sphere?
Well, no, if you projected that onto a sphere, you're going to get the globe Earth that I believe in.
Yes.
This is the map.
Yes. Yes.
But every
We got it. We got it.
Yeah.
Funny.
Awesome.
You guys are funny.
Yeah, very funny. For Ronnie and Jason, the most important thing was it wrapped around the sphere.
When you draw a line on this map, a straight line, and then you project it to a sphere, it becomes a great circle route.
Hopefully QNF doesn't show up now.
This is the most accurate map that you can possibly use to wrap to a sphere.
Straight lines become great circle routes. Let's try that. Of course they become circles, but they won't line up with the equator.
When you draw a line on this map, a straight line, and then you project it to a sphere, it becomes a great circle route.
Morons. Let's see. Great circle routes. Morons.
No, seriously, every single map on that list. And there's a whole bunch of them. You know, Gall Peters.
The Gall Peters. Not wraps around the sphere like you want. Of course it wraps around the sphere. But do you see? Your land masses are out of shape. You guys are confused with globe projections and map projections. Map projections are projections from a map, for example, the Mercator. The only map that wraps around the globe, like Globus 1, is the Mercator projection.
Conic projections.
the
Every
Gall
single
Peters.
map on that list.
No.
Every single one of them maps to a sphere.
But
Conical map wraps around the sphere according to Flat Earth Math.
Conic projections.
The Gall
Every single
Peters.
map on that list.
No.
Every single one of them maps to a sphere.
But
No Flat Earth Math. Only the Mercator projection wraps around the sphere the way you like it. Idiot.
this map right here, if you get the mesh networking right on Blender, the North Pole is completely on the North Pole, and Antarctica
Sure.
wraps together like your duck figure. It takes minimal amount of work.
Oh yeah, no, you have no argument with me there.
This Globetard have no clue what he talk about. This map not wraps around the sphere because it's incomplete. And you cannot put a square map around the sphere. It needs to be rectangular. So let's wrap this around the sphere. Totally messed up.
we're working with a map that we didn't produce this map. We didn't arrange the continents. We didn't design the latitude and longitude. We did none of that. All we did was discover it and reorient it is all that we did to it.
Let's talk about maps then.
The creators of this map
Looks like you rearranged Antarctica. That's a continent. It not look the same.
say that it is the most accurate map of Earth while still suggesting that there may be distortion, but we maintain that Earth is flat, therefore there should be no distortions.
Let's try this map projection, the original, and see if it's a cloud projection. Oh dear. No. So these guys are diluted.
They literally tell you in the website that we got it from. This is the most accurate landmass that was ever created. It's not me saying that. It was the creators and cartographers that made this. Okay? Jason and I didn't invent it.
The map conforms to known landmass sizes, shapes, positions, and distances between.
But we do know that a stereographic map does wrap to a sphere and mimic what we've been told by science. Okay, so we know that much. The orientation to it, we are open to correction where it's needed for sure.
Yeah, Charles, we've gone through all the maps, including the AE map. The AE map, obviously, there's like 3/4 of the ball missing.
No, the AE map will only distort the South Pole. That's the only thing that's essentially missing on the AE map is the South Pole.
Oh, Ronnie, your smart friend had to correct you because the Gleason do show all land masses on the correct spot. That was again some disinformation. This map show everything from 90 north to 90 south. All the latitudes and longitudes. And with the celestial data, you can use celestial navigation to get a fix everywhere on the Gleason's map. So tell me which location is not on the Gleason's map. You guys clearly misrepresenting maps and make up bullshit on the fly to fit your needs.
This one here is the most accurate, and it's a coordinate system. It's not
Exactly.
a map or projection. It's a coordinate system.
Oh, you made it a coordinate system. Here it says oblique Mercator projection. So it's a projection from the Mercator map.
They're not a grid work.
It's a coordinate system.
They're not a grid work.
Looks like a messed up grid work to me.
So you measure off of the lines of latitude and longitude with a compass, and you can actually navigate through dead reckoning.
So, we've seen some contradictions of your bullshit. And about magnetic declinations. Do you understand, guys? Magnetic declinations don't work on square maps. So you try to strawman maps like the AE projection, which have a perfectly working magnetic declination. Retards, magnetic declination only work on round maps. Do you understand it, idiots? And you guys claim to have looked into magnetic declination. Why you didn't check your map if it was correct? Maybe you two publicans would like if I make all square maps irrational. Hold on, give me a minute. I do one location to show your bullshit is totally wrong. You could have done this yourself and see your square map don't work. So West Australia here, it have a declination of 19 arc minutes and it's negative west. So that means it's 19 arc minutes west of true north. Do you understand that? Do you morons understand? Your map is wrong if this was the magnetic declination, then west would be more or less south, pointing to the South Pole. But there is no South Pole in that direction on your map. Do you understand that fact, idiots?
Disinformation agents, they spread misinformation.
And I also heard you say these longitude lines are magnetic declinations. Clearly it's not.
And you can see based on these lines of longitude, if they're the magnetics, you can completely understand why it would be that case.
So if I understand it correctly, this is the longitude for the prime meridian. And if I want to follow my compass direction to go north, I have to go in this direction. You guys are demented. Because longitude lines are just virtual. Your compass is now pointing to the south magnetic pole. Do you understand that? The magnetic declination should be like 20 degrees on this location near the prime meridian. This would be like 44 degrees deviation. That is more than double than these declination maps show us. That means navigation on your compass is totally off. You can look on the declination maps what you want, but never get the proper direction, of course.
Disinformation agents, they spread misinformation.
Let me do it again. Magnetic declination, like a 21, close to 21. And the declination is negative west, so we have to twist it west with 21 degrees. So that means you need to put this 21 degrees up. And as you can see, it not points to the magnetic pole. We have to do another 20 plus degrees. Do you morons understand? A round map. This would be the magnetic declination. It matches more reality than your bullshit map. And if you follow the magnetic compass to the east or the west, it will always point to the magnetic north, and east will be east and not south like in your model, moron.
Disinformation agents, they spread misinformation.
Jake the Asshole and QNF, they both claim not to be flat earthers.
Oh my god. Can you believe that shit? Where did I make that claim, Flatzoid? You piece of shit? You big nosed piece of shit, yeah, that's what you are. I have hours and hours of lies from you at my channel. You are just a piece of shit, just like Jason and Ronnie. But you are the #1 Flatzoid. Oh! Hey Nathan, QNF did a video about you, where you claim you subscribe to a model. Are you going to do a video response, Nathan? Nah, he's a very silly man. Maybe some people take his cartoon and repetitions of the same sweary insults seriously. But he's not worth my time. And you seem to have a fetish for balls.
How do you like the taste of my balls? Yeah, they taste as my balls.
You like balls? Piece of shit. Cartoons, you say? Hold on, you are the one showing cartoons. You show a lot of cartoons at your channel, and you only talk. Why you not rebuttal my video? I did exactly how you described our Earth and put it into a 3D model. And that is a round flat Earth model. Very similar as biblical cosmology, Nathan. Oh, you think I'm telling bullshit? Maybe you have to listen to my video again. Because I do exactly what you're saying, you piece of shit. And then we get comments from Oakley's echo chamber participants. James Doherty. It sounds like you're a cheerleader for Duffy. Clearly, you never seen one of my videos. What a fucking moron. Get lost, idiot. Go watch my videos before you say something. This moron might have missed one of my latest video. A hardcore cloak debunk. Like nobody else do. This is how ignorant those parrots are. They're just echo chamber participants. The title of this video not points out I'm cheerleading for Will Duffy. Demented idiot. It sounds like you're a cheerleader for Duffy. People like this are a menace for the truth scene. They should not be here. How can you be so stupid? Are you using medication? And I get lost when I see you make one more comment? I ban you from my channel. You fucking faggot.
I will teabag Witsit the clown. How do you like the taste of my balls? No, that's the taste of my nuts. Yeah, they taste as my balls. So no bias! You utter fool! No, not. Are you dumb? Unaffected means there isn't a bias, idiot. So no bias then, not a straw man. Stutter again, bitch. So no bias. Stutter again, bitch. No. Gas go down, boom, boom, go down, go boom, boom. Gas go down, go boom, boom, my friend. And gas go down, go boom, boom, now is it? So gas is going down, go boom, boom. Gas go down, boom, boom, go down, go boom, boom. Gas go down, go boom, boom, my friend. And gas go down, go boom, boom, now is it? So gas is going down, go boom, boom. So no bias! Yeah, they taste as my balls. No! Going down, go boom, boom. Is gas going down, go boom, boom? Now I'd like to know how my balls taste. That's the taste of my nuts. How do you like the taste of my balls? I will teabag Witsit the clown.
Yum.
Boo, holographic phenomenon. Holographic. Boo. You can get a tan from a hologram. Boo. That's right. You can get a tan from a hologram. Boo. That's right. You can get a tan from a hologram. That's right. Boo. The sun is holographic. Boo. You can get a tan from a hologram. Boo. The sun is holographic. You can get a tan from a hologram. Boo. I kissed a guy. Enjoy the heat of the sun. Boo. The sun is holographic. Boo. You can get a tan from a hologram. It's a hologram. Boo. That's right. Boo. I kissed a guy. Boo. Freaking hologram. Deal with it. Boo. I kissed a guy. It's a hologram. Boo. I kissed a guy. That's right. Boo. It's a hologram. Boo. It's a hologram. Hey, the sun is holographic. You can get a tan from a hologram. That's right. I kissed a guy. Boo. Tan from a hologram. That's right. Boo. Tan from a hologram. Boom. boom. That's right. Support me through the PayPal. I want to see a PayPal. Man, I really need support. I need it bad for... I need support for food. I really need it. You did it yet? What's going on, man? You did it yet? Do you understand? Good. So, maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow, or maybe not. We'll see. You did it yet? Alright, anyway. Show, mostly e-begging show. Psychopath baller scumbag. You're a scumbag, troll.
I smell money with the nose. I have a hook nose.
Pyramid bar. Pyramid bar. Pyramid bar. The pyramid bar. The pyramid bar. The pyramid bar. Entering. Accidentally type flatter. Oh, I love you. And for fun today, I've got my...
That's all, piece of shit.